So when we were disassembling your vehicle, one of the things we did was we identified what types of ADAS systems or features were on your vehicle. Now, during the course of the repair process, like especially during the bodywork process, it's not uncommon for us to have to remove some of those components. And we have to reinstall them, and then we have to ensure they're working properly. So, Danny, what are some things we have to ensure that are working properly on the vehicle as we near the completion of the repairs?
So these advanced systems can include blind spot monitors, forward, rear looking cameras, even your adaptive cruise control. So again, there's a lot of safety systems on your vehicle that you rely on, and we want to make sure it functions correctly. We got to make sure that the calibrations are done correctly using the tools and procedures that the manufacturer requires. We may need to do some additional road testing to verify the functionality of it. And it could even be done multiple times to ensure that the systems are working correctly. If there's anything that comes up in the process, we'll notify you so that way you're up to date with the latest information regarding the ADAS and the sublet and any safety systems on your vehicle. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.